সমন্বিত আর্ট ব্যাংক ও একটি আর্থিক প্রতিষ্ঠান এর সিনিয়র অফিসার পদের পরীক্ষার প্রশ্ন ও সমাধান পরীক্ষা 2021। সেলিম আল দিন এর যে সৃষ্টিকর্মটি ব্যতিক্রমধর্মী। উষা উৎসব ও স্বপ্নরমণীগণ। বাংলা ভাষায় ব্যাকরণ রচনা করেননি জর্জ গ্রিয়ারসন। সরল বাক্যে রূপান্তর করুন। ভয়াল শব্দে বাস পড়ছে, এর বিরাম নেই। অবিরাম ভয়াল শব্দে বাস পড়ছে। শ্রবণ শব্দের অর্থ হল ক্ষরণ। নিচের যে প্রতিশব্দটি বেমানান। বিমর্ষমান। গ্র্যাচুইটি শব্দের বাংলা পরিভাষা হল আনুতোষিক। নিচের পত্রিকাগুলোর মধ্যে যেটি ব্যতিক্রমধর্মী। সীমান্ত। বিকারজাত শব্দযোগে দ্বিরুক্তির উদাহরণ হল বকাঝকা। চর্মকার ড্যাশ চামার এ শূন্যস্থানে বসবে চম্মু-আর। ক্রিয়ার দ্বিরুক্তিযোগে গঠিত বিশেষণের দৃষ্টান্ত হল যায় যায়। শামসুর রহমান রচিত ইলেকট্রার গান কবিতায় মিথের আড়ালে দ্যোতিত হয়েছে পিতৃহারা বঙ্গবন্ধু কন্যার আবেগ। 20 শতকের 60-এর দশকের কবিদের জন্য প্রাসঙ্গিক নির্ভীক সত্যপ্রকাশ। সৈয়দ শামসুল হকের নুরুল দিনের সারাজীবন কাব্যনাটকে নীলক্ষার নীল প্রবন্ধটি প্রকাশ করেছে দৃষ্টিসীমা অতিক্রমী আকাশ। নিচের যেটি কাজী নজরুল ইসলামের প্রাপ্ত পুরস্কার বা উপাধি নয়। মুক্তিযোদ্ধা সম্মাননা পদক। চর্যাপদের আধ্যাত্ম ভাবনা ও সাহিত্যিক উৎকর্ষের সর্বোত্তম সমন্বয় ঘটেছে যার মাধ্যমে। সমাজচিত্র। নিচের যেটি মধ্যযুগের সাহিত্যধারায় অন্তর্ভুক্ত। পাঁচালী। বাংলা ভাষায় ব্যবহৃত আল প্রত্যয় যে রূপ থেকে বিবর্তিত হয়েছে। আলুস। নিচের যেটি বহুব্রী সমাসের দৃষ্টান্ত নয়। অনুতাপ। তোমাকে দিয়ে এ সমস্যার সমাধান হবে তা আশা করা যায়নি বাক্যটি যে বাচ্যের উদাহরণ। ভাববাচ্যের। পাঠের বর্জনকৃত অংশ নির্দেশে ব্যবহৃত হয় চিহ্ন। দ্য ইডিয়ম হিট দ্য স্যাক মিন্স টু গো টু বেড। চেঞ্জ ইন্টু প্যাসিভ ভয়েস। পিপল বিলিভ হি ইজ এ স্কলার। He is believed to be a scholar. Choose appropriate word to join. She was waiting for a taxi. She found car broken down when the organization threw an epic dinner party yesterday. The bold-faced word means amazing. Find the sentence that expresses a negative comment. Shubho is so flaky. Omia did dash better in the examination dash any of her classmates. Rather dash than. A lucrative career is not very easy to come by. Parents should not pressurize kids. They must not choose friends for their kids as well. Health crisis dash antibiotic overdose is a burning issue due to. Identify the word class of the bold-faced word. The dark skies cleared and the sun shone dazzlingly. Verb. Translate into English. বিশ্বব্যাপী করোনা ভাইরাস বর্তমানে নিয়ন্ত্রণে এসেছে। At present, the coronavirus has come under control in all over the world. Choose the correct spelling. Pedestrian. P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N. According to one of the most famous sonnets of Shakespeare, shall I compare thee to a summer's day? The eternal beauty will live as long as the people read the sonnet. Haiku is a kind of poetry. Find the correct question tag. Let us discuss. Shall we? Which is an antonym of fantasy? Veracity. Find the figure of speech which is different from other options. Golden years. One man in his time plays many parts is a quote of William Shakespeare. A separate introductory section of a library dramatic or musical work is called prologue. Make indirect. The boy told the shopkeeper, "Can you give me a candy please?" The boy requested the shopkeeper if he could give him a candy. The largest prime factor of 2 to the power 4 a whole square minus 1 is 17. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x square plus 3x square minus 4x plus k minus 3. The sum of two numbers is 22 and the sum of their squares is 404. The product of two numbers is 40. If t is an odd integer, which of the following must be an even integer? 3t plus 1. One of the factors of x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 is x square minus x plus 1. If x plus 1 by x equal 3, then x minus 1 by x equal root 5. If log x power 625 equal 4, then x equal 5. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum and is compounded half yearly, the principal of taka 4000 in 3 by 2 years will amount to 4630.50 taka. A tap can fill a tank in 6 hours. After half the tank is filled, another similar tap is opened. What is the total time taken to fill the tank completely? 4 hours 30 minutes. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 90 and 15 respectively. If one number is 45, the other number is 30. If 5% is gained by selling an article for taka 350, then selling it for taka 340, then cost of the article is 200 taka. If sec x minus 30 equal to root 3, tan x equal root 3. A sum of money at simple interest amounts to taka 5600 in 2 years and taka 6500 in 5 years at the rate of 6%. When bent in the form of a circle, a wire has a radius of 28. If it is bent in the form of a square, what will be its area in centimeter square? 1936. What is the largest number of the dividends 84, 144 or 36 without any remainder? 12. The ratio of two numbers is 7:4. If 8 is added to both the numbers, ratio become 13:8. What is the smaller number? 40. How many 5 will you pass on the way when you count from 1 to 100? 20. The total surface area of a hemisphere of radius r is 3 pi r square. A mixture of 20 kg of spirit and water contains 10% water. How much water must be added to mixture to raise the percentage of water to 25%? 4 kg. The height of a equilateral triangle with a side 2 cm is root 3 cm. Which one of the following numbers can be removed from the set s equal 0, 2, 4, 5, 9 without changing the average of set? 4. What is the unit digit in the product? 8. The area of a rhombus is 96 cm square and the length of one of the diagonals is 16 cm. The length of the other diagonal is 12. If 1 plus sin theta equal x cos theta, then tan theta equal x square minus 1 by twice x. What is the probability that an integer selected at random from those between 20 and 100 inclusive is a multiple of 15? 5 by 81. 81. The area of triangle with sides 3 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. 2 root 4 cm. 2 root 14 cm square. An electric pole casts a root 3-meter long shadow on the ground at an elevation 60 degree. The height of the pole is 3 meter. The second and third term of a geometric series are 9 and 3 respectively. The sixth term of the series is 1 by 9. The next number is the sequence 3, 4, 8, 17, 33 dot 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 is 58. The inverse of f of x equal to x minus 1 is x plus 1 भाग 2. Dash has said to be built the large banking network by providing financial services through the digital post office across the country. Bank Asia. The last international conference attended by Bangabandhu was Commonwealth Conference. In COP26 summit, a stark message, "We are digging our own graves," was sent by Antonio Guterres. Kids Clips, a children-friendly content, is developed by Netflix. Dash can suppress the inflammatory cytokine storm and plays a role in patient management. Vitamin D. The president of Dash will attend the Golden Jubilee celebration of Bangladesh is Victoria Day, India. The secret document of intelligence branch on the father of the nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Volume 1 ends with the documents of 1950 অর্থাৎ 1950 সাল. The formula of antiviral COVID-19 oral medicine Molnupiravir will be shared with the developing countries by Biotherapeutics and Merck. The equilateral science is associated with insurance. In the short run, which of the following always gets smaller as output increases? Average fixed cost. The 2021 বা 2021 Nobel Prize for Economic Sciences has been awarded in one half to debit card. Euro is the currency of dash countries of European Union. 19. In the Mujibnagar government, Dash was one of the members of the All Party Advisors Council. Manoranjan Dhar. According to the NBR, the highest taxpayer 2021 in the senior citizen category is Ghulam Dastagir Ghazi. Recently, the government has announced the President's Award for Industrial Development 2019 to recognize companies. 19. BSEC has decided to form Subarna Jayanti Fund under the patronage of CMSF. The Archaeology Department is working to declare Dash as a preserved antiquity tomb of Poribibi. Dash won first ever silver medal for Bangladesh in Asian archery mixed event, Dia and Rubel. Most of the tea plantation workers speak in. Indian government has awarded Padma Bhushan Award 2020 to the senior diplomat of Bangladesh, Syed Muazzem Ali. The shortcut key for activating reference tab is Alt+S. Dash identifies a cell in MS Excel address. A microcomputer or mini computer is the controller unit of CNC. Dash allow the user to automate frequently used formatting settings add-ins. In MS PowerPoint, the side sorter view displays slides in thumbnail form. Computer monitor is also known as VDU. Which one is the result of the output given by a computer? Information. Which is not a type of scanner? Daisy wheel. UBID is related to e-commerce sector. The saved BIOS configuration data is sorted at CMOS.